Welcome everyone to a short introduction to the GSTEAM Academy course for mentors. Um, the mentors within the GSTEAM Academy project have a very important role throughout the project implementation. But who they are? They are active in teacher education or professional development. They are committed to promoting gender equity in STEAM, and they have declared to be ready to mentor teachers and engage in co-creation activities that feature the project in its core phases. They are also experienced in mentoring, coaching, or undertaking supervisory roles. And of course, being a transnational project, they are all able to communicate in English. So if you are accessing this course and you are a mentor, you would fit all of these features. The mentors in the GSTEAM Academy project are attending, participating in a comprehensive learning program that is composed of an online training course, the one that we are introducing with this short video, positioned in our website. This is a self-paced combination of modules that cover gender responsive and intersectionality sensitive STEAM education. In addition to this, the mentors receive ongoing support, participate to webinars, mutual learning and peer exchange, online meetings, so that their mentoring activity is supported throughout the project by self-reflexivity opportunities. And plus, there are international mobility sessions to strengthen the community. Participating to the program implies for mentors to have the possibility to travel to international events foreseen by the project, and having travel and accommodation fully reimbursed. Also, the project will provide an official certification for participation. Also, mentors will have access to a European level community of practice that is hosted on a separate platform where it is possible to register. And of course, the entirety of the project activities enable building gender responsive teaching and mentoring skills, nurturing cross-country networking and collaboration opportunities, and potentially get visibility on the project platforms, events, or publications. This particular course for mentors is articulated across 4 online blocks and 1 in-presence session that will take place in Bologna during April. So here on the website, as far as the self-paced component is concerned, you will find an initial block that is considered introductory and also foundational, where you will learn on key concepts, gender, intersectionality, historical context of gender roles in STEM, and also We will present the community of practices and its aims and principles. The second block focuses on understanding bias and its impact. You would learn on identifying unconscious bias in education and teaching materials. And we also aim at triggering a reflection on classroom dynamics from a gender and intersectional perspective. The block C focus on implementing gender inclusive, intersectional and arts integrated STEAM pedagogy, and aims also at exploring some practical exercises and tools. Under each block, you will find a set of videos, the slide sets, and additional materials as well. Each block is also featured by a reflect, practice, and share trigger input, where we would ask you to apply the contents and the topics you have been exposed to in the videos into short activities on the Community of Practices platform. The final block in Bologna will focus entirely on mentoring and co-creation. So we would guide you through the mentoring and co-creation principles and guidelines that will be used by the national teams, mentors, mentees, and GSTEAM Academy partners to co-create the GSTEAM toolboxes. So we hope you will enjoy this learning program. We did our best to really build on the partners' expertise, academic and practitioners' expertise, but also building, of course, on results from previous EU-funded projects. Just to mention a few, fairness in teaching, women's STEM up, FEMS, etc. You will find, well, if you are watching this video, supposedly you already found the course on the GSTEAM Academy main website. Is accessible from the resources tab. This is the way it looks like. As you see, there is a left side bar with all of the blocks that I introduced earlier on, subdivided in further modules. Under each module, there is a video. The video are hosted on YouTube, and under the videos, you will find the slide set to be downloaded with their full references lists and additional resources. The course also features a final self-assessment questionnaire at the end of the course, based on which you will also receive a first certificate of attendance from our coordinators. Thanks a lot for your participation in this program that we really hope you will enjoy.